Welcome. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through how to turn off those news and sports notifications on the X app for PC after the latest update. If you're tired of seeing constant alerts about breaking headlines or game scores, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your X app on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options there, including Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. Now, once you're inside your Notifications section, look for the gear icon or the Settings option, usually located at the top right corner of the Notifications page. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see a few different options related to how you receive updates and alerts. From here, choose Preferences. This section is where you can control the types of notifications you get, both within the app and through other devices. Inside Preferences, select Push Notifications. This is the area that manages alerts sent directly to your device or computer while you're active online. Now, scroll until you find the section titled From X. This is where all the in-app push notifications are listed by category. You'll see checkboxes for things like news, sports, and other interests that X thinks you might like. To stop receiving notifications for news and sports, simply uncheck both of those boxes. Once you've done that, the changes are applied automatically. There's no need to click Save. X handles it instantly. And that's it. You've successfully turned off news and sports notifications on the X app for your PC. From now on, you'll only get alerts that matter most to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more short guides like this one, where we simplify new updates and features so you can make the most out of your favorite apps.